Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how to record a meeting in Zoom. We're going to go back into creating a new meeting, just like I showed before. When you're in your meeting, if you want to record it, let's say you have a bunch of people and you want to archive it, what you can do is you can click this record button, and then it will start recording the meeting. You can pause it if you want. You can also stop the recording. So if you pause it, this is what it looks like. It will say recording paused. And then you can click off of that to keep it recording. Let's say you have like an intermission and you don't want to archive that. If you want to stop the recording, you can click the stop button. And then it says it will be converted to an MP4 when the meeting ends. So that's pretty cool. So if I end this meeting, what it's going to do is it's going to convert it before I'm able to view it into an MP4 format. And it's going to be stored in a Zoom meeting folder. So it will give you the audio only or the actual Zoom meeting. Record button, and you can play it back, which is pretty neat. So this is a great option if you are in a meeting at work or with friends and you want to archive it and store it for later. Maybe you're in a lecture and you want to figure out what was said and you want to remember what was said and go back to those notes. You can do that. Zoom is a great tool to record meetings, and it's super easy, as you can see. If you like my video series on Zoom so far, say yes in the comments below. I look forward to making the next video on Zoom, and I hope you're using Zoom and having a great time with it. It's a great tool. For now, take care. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.